Los Angeles Off-Road offers exciting off-road tours in and around Los Angeles that cater to adventure seekers and nature lovers. With specially equipped vehicles and experienced guides, visitors can explore the stunning landscapes around Los Angeles in a thrilling and adventurous way. Los Angeles Off-Road offers a variety of tour options, including off-road adventures in nearby mountains and desert areas, such as the Mojave Desert or the San Gabriel Mountains. The tours are led by experienced guides who have extensive knowledge about the region, nature, and history. The off-road vehicles used by Los Angeles Off-Road are specifically designed for off-roading and provide guests with a safe and exhilarating driving experience. From Jeeps to ATVs to side-by-side vehicles, there are various options available to meet the requirements and preferences of the visitors. The off-road tours by Los Angeles Off-Road are ideal for adventure seekers who want to explore the nature and scenic beauty of Los Angeles off the beaten path. During the tours, guests have the opportunity to enjoy breathtaking views, observe local wildlife, and experience the impressive landscapes up close. Whether you are an experienced off-roader or trying off-roading for the first time, Los Angeles Off-Road offers tours for all skill levels. The guides are available to assist guests and ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. If you're looking for off-road adventures in Los Angeles Off-Road is an excellent choice. With their expertise, specially equipped vehicles, and passion for nature and adventure, they offer unforgettable off-road experiences in the Los Angeles area.